Let's learn how to make this process slide. Start by clicking on Icon and typing the word gear into the search bar. Select the filled-in gear icon. Resize it to 6 centimeters for both values. Then give it a color filling of your choice. Next, insert an arc shape. Resize the shape to 5 centimeters for both width and height. Then go to Shape Outline, and under Weight adjust the thickness of the arc. Place both shapes above each other. Fulfill the arc for better overview. Then select both shapes and under Arrange, make sure that they are aligned in the center and in the middle. Then group both. Now move the grouped shape to the left of the slide, then duplicate them. Adjust the arcs. For the first gear icon, the upper side should be covered by the arc. For the second icon, the arc should go around the lower half. Now select the whole shape grouping and duplicate. Place the duplicated shapes on the right side. Again, adjust the exact positioning for a smooth transition between arcs. After some final touches, move the entire grouping to the middle of the slide. Next, insert a text box. Type in the letter A, then adjust the text size and font style to your liking. Place the letter at the center of the first gear icon. Make sure the text is centered. Copy-paste 3 more times and place in the remaining gear icons. Use the red guiding lines for the text box placement. Then adjust the letters from B to D accordingly. Move on to the color choices for the graphics. Select them based on personal preference or based on brand colors. For the arc shape, make sure to select a color for the outline and not the filling. To finalize the graphic, select all the text boxes and under Arrange, make sure they are aligned in the middle. Then select all elements and add a shadow for depth. Next, insert a text box. Write in title and information for the first process step. Then adjust text style and writing to your liking. Duplicate the box 3 more times and place it next to the other gear icons as shown. Arrange everything to your liking and use the red guiding lines as support. Then adjust the content for each of the text boxes. And there you have your final slide. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.